Back to another LSPDFR tutorial. I'm going to show you how to install typical callouts. So click download this file, agree and download. By the way, the link to this mod will be in the description. You click download on main files. Wait for it to install. I'm going to open up my GTA 5 main directory while I wait. Now I'm going to open that with my WinRAR. Now I'm going to go to my directory. I'm going to copy these two folders, drag and drop in my GTA 5 directory. Now I already have this installed, so it's going to ask me to replace the files. If you don't have it installed, you will not get this pop-up. And it is installed. Thank you.